Hi and welcome to Travels with Travis. My name is Travis and I am traveling the world with my wife, one destination at a time. Today I am in sunny Page, Arizona, home of the Glen Canyon Dam and of course where thousands flock each year to come to Lake Powell. However, today I am heading out to Horseshoe Bend Overlook just outside Page on 89 South. Once you arrive, you'll come to the ranger station where you will pay $10 USD to get into the park. She will give you information on your hike up to Horseshoe Bend, and you will also get a card and a receipt that needs to be in your dashboard. Just by the ranger station is the brand new parking lot where you can park your car, and they have plenty of space for RVs if that's what you're driving. The hike up to Horseshoe Bend is about 15 to 20 minutes, unless of course you stop to take in Page, Arizona's beautiful desert landscape and expansive canyons. There is also a shade overhang just in case you need to take a quick break as you make your way in or out. Once you get closer, you can see the carving of Horseshoe Bend off in the distance and the excitement will build. Finally, at the end of your hike, you will find the Horseshoe Bend Overlook Point by the railing. It gives you that perfect, picturesque view of Horseshoe Bend, and you can just stand there as long as you need to and just take in that magnificent view. From up above, it is a spectacular bird's eye view of the Colorado River and the people boating down below. Here you'll bump into, of course, many tourists who are coming to get that perfect Instagram shot, selfie, or overall video of their trip to Horseshoe Bend. If you head off to the right, there is a perfect place to take more photos unobstructed of railing and usually people. It is without railings, so you definitely want to be careful as it is a straight drop to the bottom. Yikes. If you look further off to the right, there is plenty of cliffs and other places to climb and take many picturesque photos for your friends. Once you return back, if you need to use the restroom, there are some available at the end of the parking lot. And of course, once you head out, make sure you save your information guide and your receipt as mementos from your trip to Horseshoe Bend. Thank you for joining me today on Travels with Travis, and please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below, have you been to Horseshoe Bend or do you plan to come here in the future to get that perfect Instagram photo? If you're ever in Page, Arizona, there's more than plenty to do, but check out my channel as I do have travel vlogs of Bryce Canyon and Zion, which are nearby and are incredible day trips from here. We thank you, keep traveling, and we'll see you next time.